All right, so what I got today is a garage door opener, OEM style switch, and it's a momentary. So if you press it, it connects it, and then you let it go. There's no connection. All right, it's got 4 wires, and I'll explain that in a little bit. And that's gonna go. Let me open the door. I got a spot right here, but I'm not gonna put it there. It's a little not as easy to reach, so I'm gonna put this one, my zombie lights over here, which I'm not using right now. So I don't have any zombie lights. I'll put the garage door opener here. This is my garage door opener now, which I already have wired. You see? But I wanted the OEM. And you press it again, and it works. And all it really is I have in there is a garage door opener inside of there. I'll have to open up this panel and show you. And then I'll show you how to wire it. But let me open this up, take the blank out, and switch them around, and then I'll show you how to do that. All right, so they give you a wiring diagram, and I already tested the wires. All right, so the black wire goes to the ground on the car. The blue wire is going to go to where I have it connected to my dash lights. I connected a wire to my headlights, and that'll turn on the little blue light on the garage opener. The letters garage opener is going to turn that on. And then the red and the green is what goes connected to the switch on the garage door opener. Now this is the switch right here. This is my particular one, right? It's a Craftsman. So this is the switch here, because that matches up with this big button here. All right, that's this button. So I figured out that it's these 2 little legs, this one and this one. All you got to do is connect a little wire, get a little jumper, all right, and connect it from there to there or whatever. You just got to try 2 of them and see which one it is. Can't do it. There it goes. So that. See? Well, you know, it's those 2. Okay. So then that means you got to flip it over, right? Here's the switch right here. And you got 4 legs coming out. So the 2 legs that I found is this one and this one. Well, let me do that again. See, there's the switch. All right, you got 4 legs, and mine turns out to be this one and this one. So then I got to solder a couple of pieces of wire here so they stick out of the casing. All right, but I already have it done on the other one. I'm not going to do it on this one. So you just solder 2 wires there. Let me flip it over. This is the way it goes. I made a little notch over here so that the wire sticks out. I'll show you that when I take the other one off. And then I'll connect my red and my green. And then, like I said, the black goes to the ground, and the blue is gonna light up the lettering on the switch. And I hope that the little garage door icon, or little design there, turns on. It doesn't really have to, because you're just gonna press it once and that's it. So you're not gonna see it lit. You're just gonna see, as long as the other part is lit, it'll be fine. All right, so let me get that. Open the panel up on the truck, and start hooking it up. Just to show you a little clearer how I did the garage door opener, is you got to open it up like when you're going to change the battery. Now the battery's there, so that means I got to take this, pull this out, and take the circuit board out. Okay, let's see if I can do it with one hand. Oh, I did it. There you go. And then now you're able to flip it over and put it on the battery. I'm not left-handed, so here we go. And that's how it would be. And that's how you test it. You put the two little wires on the legs. You got to try, try a couple, because I don't know, it doesn't tell you which ones they are. So you just try putting it to two legs, and two legs, and that's it. All right, so that's how you open it up. All right, so I already took the panel out, and I swapped the switches. This is where my blank was, so I put that one there, which I'm not using right now. Got your bumper lights, ditch lights, and the garage door opener, which used to be this button. So I just got to wire it up. I'm going to take this out, and this is my garage door opener, which is the same that I used on the table. All right, I soldered the 2 points on this wire, and so I got to connect it to the switch. So I'm going to take it off of this and then connect these 2 wires to my green and my yellow, and that'll open up my garage door. Then this black is gonna go with this black, so that's the ground, and then the blue is gonna go connected to, there's a red wire, all these red wires go to my light, so I'm gonna just clip it onto that. I'll probably just do a vampire switch or one of these connectors. It's not gonna get any water. So I'll do the blue one with this, which will turn on the little light when my dash lights go on. All right, so let me get that going, and then I'll come back. All right, so here's what I did so far. I took the black from, this is the garage door opener switch right here. I took the black and connected it with this one, which is not working right now, but it's just ground. So this black from this switch goes to ground, and now my garage door opener switch goes to ground, and this black goes to ground. So, because I got it grounded. All right, that's from another switch, from the other switch. Instead of unsoldering everything, I just connected that way here. I don't mind using these switches on the inside. I don't really like them on the outside, but just so I don't have to undo everything. So that's that one. And then the blue one, this blue one, which is gonna light up my switch, I'm gonna connect to one of these guys, because these 3 switches are all connected to the headlight. So when the headlight goes on, the switches turn on. So I'll just do another one of those clips and put it on there instead of unsoldering this whole thing. It'll hold these. I've used these switches many times and they work good. But like I said, I like to use them on the inside, not too much on the outside. So let me do that one, and then I got the green and the red, which are gonna connect it. Then I'm gonna solder it to these 2 wires, which is my outdoor opener. I mean the garage door opener switch. All right, and that'll work. So let me do that, and I'll get right back. All right, so I got all the wires connected. Red and green go to the remote garage door opener. All right, figured out what it was. I just connected them and pushed the button, and it worked. And then the black goes to the other ground with these 2 grounds. They go to ground, and then the blue one goes to the headlights, which lights up all the switches. Now this new switch isn't as bright, but hey, it is what it is. It's not the same brand as, they're not Cali raised, so it's not that bright. But that's what it looks like. Let me just see if I can press it, if I can get it with my left hand here. Let's see. And there's the door opening. A little fuzzy. There it is. And let me press it again. And that's how you do it. Done. Not too bad as long as you you know, figure out the wires first. But black goes to ground. The red and blue are the ones to the switch. I mean, the red and green are the ones to the remote. And then the blue one, if you want it to light up at night, then you got to hook it up to something on the dashboard. So that's it. Pretty easy. Not too bad. So that's it. So thanks for watching. And if you want to make any comments or got questions, send me a question or a comment. And if you want to subscribe, right? Thank you.